So after I installed my tail eliminator, I hooked up the turn signals inside my new taillight, and as a result, the relay doesn't work right, which is why you have rapid flashing, indicator that you have a bad bulb, even though you don't have a bad bulb. With the custom LED taillight, I ordered a new relay to replace my existing one. So this video is going to show you how to get to that relay and replace it. It doesn't matter if you're towing the taillight or anything else, relays can go bad. So you should know how to replace them. I'm going to show you how to access the turn signal relay. Placing the turn signal relay is actually really easy on the Ninja 1000 SX. It is under the left middle fairing, so all you need is a small little screwdriver or something pointy and a 4mm hex bit socket. Now to do this, all you have to do is remove this bolt. Take your small screwdriver or pointy object, and there's a right up front here. All you do is push it down and lift up. And you'll reset this thing by pushing up so the little push button pops out. And to pop the fairing off, all you have to do is just pull. And then, okay, so pull top, pull bottom, and then it should push forward. Just like that. All right, now that I got a better angle, your turn signal relay is right there. So we're going to unhook it. It's got a little rubber piece on it, which is hooked to a bracket, and you slide it up. Unhook it. And so there you go. Now the new one that hopefully you're replacing with the factory one, but if not and you're installed with light, you're going to have something that's like this. And you're going to have to take that thing that you just disconnected and plug it in. So it doesn't plug right into the relay. Alright, so I got some 3M VHP tape. This is 1 inch thick. I go ahead and measure. Try to put it in the middle here. Okay. Cut. I'm going to go basically on this bracket right next to that rubber piece. Okay, now we put the fender back on. So you line the tabs up front, push in, and then you just slide back. And it goes on top of this other piece. Push into the grommets, up top and down low. And then you're going to take your that push piece that I told you to push the pin back out of, all you're going to do is stick it in the front hole, push the tab down, locks it in place, put this other bolt back. My camera's lowered, so this other bolt back. That poor dirty bike. Feed it in. 4mm. Okay. And now, when I turn on the bike, turn signal flashes normal. That's all there is to it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.